So here's an example. We've got a right angle triangle. We know this angle, which is 45 degrees. We don't know this side. We don't know this side, but we do know this side. So they're asking us, find the two missing sides. So we can find R, we can find X. Doesn't matter which one we do first. Let's pick X. Let's find X. So we need to find out, we're given this information and this information, but we need this one. So we need to find something, some formula that has this one, and this one in it. So angle and that one, we have to find that one. So this one, and this one. This one, and this one, right? This one, and this one, opposite, adjacent, and angle. If I look down, it's tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So we have opposite, adjacent, and angle all together. Tan theta is the one we want. So I can write that. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. But look, I have X and R, so I don't have opposite over adjacent. But remember last time I have this. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent, but tan theta is also Y over X. Okay. So tan theta equal to Y over X. What do we have? We have Y. Y equals 7. We have X equals, we don't know. So tan, we know theta, 45 degrees, equals Y, which is 7 over X. So we don't know X, but we know the other stuff. So what we can do is we can get X on the one side and everything else on the other side. So we multiply both sides by X. X times tan 45 degrees equals X times 7 over X. So X times 7 over X, X over X is 1. So that's how that works out. Now I have to divide both sides by tan 45 to get it over there. So I can just do that. So now if I'm dividing both sides by tan 45, the tan 45 divided by itself, that's actually 1. So 1x is equal to 7 over tan 45. X equals 7 over tan 45 degrees. So I just put 7 over that in my calculator. But first, I want to figure out what is tan of 45 degrees. So I say, where's tan? Tan 45 degrees. 1. So that's equal to 1. Equal to 7 over 1. Look at that. So that means X is equal to 7 over 1, which is equal to 7. So I now know that X is equal to 7. Which makes sense, because if this side is 45 degrees, that side has to be 45. That means this side and this side should be the same. And look, they are. So are we done? Nope, we're not done because we haven't found that missing side yet. So now we have a choice. We have two ways we can do it. We could use Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared equals r squared, or we can use trigonometry. So let's try the trigonometry way. We need this one, and either of those. So this one, and either of those. So I could use sine. I could use sine of theta is this over that, or cos of theta is this over that. Let's pick cos. I don't think we've done cos yet. Cos of theta. So now we'll do it down here. Cos of theta. Sakatoa. Cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos of 45 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos 45 is 7 over that. So adjacent over hypotenuse, cos of 45 degrees is equal to 7 over r. So then we do it kind of the same way we did before. We just have to rearrange some stuff, get r on one side and get everything else on the other side. So r times cos 45 degrees equals r times 7 over r. R cos 45 equals 7. And then we divide both sides by cos 45 degrees. And then these divide out. R equals 7 over cos 45 degrees. So now I get my calculator and I say, cos 45. Cos of 45 degrees is equal to that. 0.707. I can put that in memory if I want, I think. So I put that in memory. So what I want is 7 divided by what I just had there. So now 7 divided by what I had in the memory. And then I have 9.9. R is equal to 9.9. So that may or may not be true. R equals 9.9. I'm confident that it is, but I could use Pythagorean theorem to figure it out. Because I know that x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So 7 squared plus 7 squared equals r squared. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 7 times 7 is 49 equals r squared. So what's 49 plus 49? 49 plus 49. 98. So r squared equals 98. So then that would mean that r is equal to the square root of 98. So then I say, square root of that is 9.9. Done. It worked.